好，然後咧繼續落去啦，我就講乜嘢咧？The effects of temperature on rates of reaction 啊，temperature 點樣影響個 rate of reaction 咧？咁應該底能嘅都識㗎啦。OK，你上升個 temperature 嘅時候，個 rate 應該會快咗㗎嘛。OK，咁但係點樣文字去解釋咧？點樣用個 collision theory 去解釋咧？其實就係首先第一樣嘢啦。咁你睇一睇個圖先咯。個圖咧見到一開始咧喺 low temperature 嘅時候咧，個 kinetic energy 即係代表咧嗰啲 particles 有嘅 energy 咧就會低啲啦，所以喐得慢啲啦，slower movement，所以咧就 less collision 嘅。咁你見到得一個 collision 會發生嘅啫。但係如果係一個 higher temperature 嘅時候，咁一啲嘅 particles 有嘅 kinetic energy 咧就高咗啦，個 faster movement 啦，當我啲人喐快咗嘅時候會點啊？撞嘅機會都會多咗咯，咁所以個 effective collision 或者個 collision 會上升咗啦，令到嗰個 effective collision 嘅 frequency 都會上升咗，最尾就會影響個 rate 都上升咗啦。好，咁點樣用文字去解釋咧？呢個位置就首先講啦 ，when temperature increase，當嗰個嘅 temperature 溫度上升嘅時候，個 particles 咧有嘅 energy 會點啊？Will have more kinetic energy. The particles will have more kinetic energy and move faster. OK， 咁多啲嘅 kinetic energy move faster 嘅時候，就代表乜嘢啊？佢哋有多啲嘅機會 collide 啦。嗱，同之前一樣嘅 greater chance to collide。好，而溫度上升，除咗咧會令到佢哋撞得多啲嘅時候咧，亦都會影響乜嘢咧？亦都會影響咧嗰啲嘅 reactant 本身有嘅 kinetic energy。之前講過啦 ，collision theory 講咗。除咗要撞，即係撞得多啲嗰陣時候，撞啱位嘅機會率咪上升咯。但同一時間，佢有 sufficient energy to react 啊嘛，個 kinetic energy 要大過activation energy 啊嘛。咁如果個 temperature increase 嘅時候，咪有多啲嘅 reactant 有足夠嘅 kinetic energy，OK，which is 大過 activation energy 去做個 reaction 咯。咁嘅時候，個 reaction rate 咪都會快啲咯。我就係呢一個位置啦。所以 increasing temperature 咧係會 increase the proportion of reactant particles， 會令到咧。個 reactant 嗰個 proportion 即係個比例咧上升咗，咩邊個比例上升咗咧？就係咧嗰啲 particles 有嗰個嘅 kinetic energy equal or greater than the activation energy 啊，係啊，即係嗰啲 particles 有住一樣或者大過嗰個嘅 activation energy 嗰啲嘅 reactants 嘅 proportion， 即係個比例咧係會上升咗嘅。當有多啲嘅 particles 有足夠嘅kinetic energy。OK， 去做嗰個 reaction 嘅時候 ，OK， 咁嗰個嘅 effective collision 嗰個 frequency， 即係 the number of effective collision 咪亦都會上升啦。最尾嗰個 reaction rate 都會上升啦。好啦，咁呢5點咧，咁又係啦，你自己都要識寫翻出嚟去解釋成個嗰個 system 啊，嗰個嘅點樣 increasing temperature 會影響個 rate of reaction 啦。好啦，咁呢個位置咧，最尾又係個圖啦。咁你見到又係 measure 嗰個嘅 product form 出嚟 concentration of product 啦。好啦，一開始 lower temperature 嘅，咁樣就會咁嘅 graph 啦。咁如果 high temperature 會點啊？亦都個 rate 會快咗啦。咁 that's why 咧，你會 expect 咧，佢係會早啲完個 reaction 嘅。咁呢一條咧，咪又係嗰個 higher temperature 嘅時候，佢會有嘅一條 graph 咯。你見到會早啲做完個 reaction 啦。咁呢個咧就係個 temperature 咧點樣影響個 rate of reaction 啊？同之前有少少唔同嘅，除咗會令到佢哋會撞多咗之外咧，increasing temperature 亦都會令到咧。嗰啲嘅reactant particle 有住 kinetic energy 係大過或者等於嗰個嘅 activation energy 嗰個 proportion 啊，嗰個比例咧係會上升咗。That's why 咧 effective collision 咧亦都會上升嘅。咁呢個咧就係點解咧 temperature 係會影響到個 rate of reaction 啊。